Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time for the September 2025 Flexi-Cap Fund update. We'll look at the latest portfolio changes, AUM sizes, and performance comparison of Parikh, HDFC, and ICICI Flexi-Cap funds. Let's jump right in. Let's look at the portfolio changes in PPFAS Flexi-Cap Fund for September. On the buying side, there are some big additions. HDFC Bank tops the list with 579 crore rupees, followed by 420 crore in Power Grid and 410 crore in IEX. Other notable increases include 297 crore in ITC, 277 crore in Kotak Bank, and 265 crore in Axis Bank. We also see 156 crore in ICICI Bank, and smaller additions in Dr. Reddy's, E.I.Parry, and Zydus Life Sciences. On the selling side, a few cuts stand out. Punjab National Bank trimmed by 16 crore, Ipca Labs down by 48 crore, and Cipla reduced by 73 crore. But the biggest exit was Maruti Suzuki, with a massive reduction of 407 crore rupees. Overall, the fund is adding heavily into banks, power, and consumer names, while trimming autos and select pharma stocks. Next up, let's check out the portfolio changes in HDFC Flexi-Cap Fund for September. On the buying side, we see strong additions across banking and tech. Axis Bank leads with 209 crore rupees, followed closely by Infosys at 206 crore and HCL Tech at 189 crore. Other big moves include 152 crore in L&T, 140 crore in ICICI Bank, and 133 crore in Lupin. The fund also added 122 crore in Eicher Motors, 98 crore in Kotak Bank, and 93 crore in ONGC. Smaller but notable increases were made in Cyient, Havals, Power Grid, Swiggy, Tata Steel, Bank of Baroda, Piramal Pharma, and Hindalco. On the selling side, there were only a couple of cuts. Bosch trimmed by 17 crore, and Apollo Hospitals reduced by 38 crore. So overall, HDFC Flexi-Cap is betting big on banks, IT, and industrials, while making only minor exits from healthcare and auto names. Now let's dive into the portfolio changes of ICICI Prudential Flexi-Cap Fund for September. On the buying side, the fund boosted exposure to Infosys with 88 crore rupees, followed by 52 crore in PG Electroplast, and 38 crore in Newland Labs. Other notable additions include 32 crore in Britannia, 31 crore in TCS, 30 crore in Ethos, 29 crore in HCL Tech, and 28 crore in Blue Star. But on the selling side, we see some big exits. Tech names like Netweb Tech, Keynes Tech, and Ather were trimmed modestly. But Cummins cut by 19 crore, Nykaa by 22 crore, and Eicher Motors by 39 crore. The sharper reductions came in Maruti Suzuki down by 44 crore, DMart cut by 118 crore, and the biggest drop, TVS Motor, reduced by a massive 191 crore rupees. Overall, the fund is adding weight to IT, consumer, and specialty plays, while cutting back heavily on autos and select consumer names. Let's compare the AUM sizes of our three Flexi-Cap funds. PPFAS Flexi-Cap leads with 1,15,040 crore rupees, followed by HDFC Flexi-Cap at 80,642 crore. And finally, ICICI Flexi-Cap comes in at 18,172 crore rupees. Clearly, there's a big gap in scale between these funds. In the last month, all three funds gained, with ICICI Flexi-Cap leading at 7%. Over 1 year, Parikh is ahead with 8%, while HDFC follows and ICICI trails. Looking at the 3-year CAGR, both HDFC and Parikh show strong returns above 21%, with ICICI close behind. In the long term, Parikh and HDFC continue to shine, while ICICI is still building its track record. Which fund do you think is the most interesting right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.